Paw. Okay, Maggie, up. Come on. Up, up. Up, up, up. Come on. Come on. Paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me your paw. Come on. Maggie, sit. Give me your paw. Come on. Come on, up, up, up. Maggie, sit. Good girl. Paw. Come, give me your paw. This, give me this. Come on. Come on, give me your paw. Give me paw. Come on, give me this. Give me this.
Stop taking advantage of our retarded dog.
She's not retarded. Lay down. Don't run away. Come on.
Maggie.
Oh, sit.
Oh, trying to show off.
Oh, Mom.
You tricked me.
Sit.
Maggie, follow the white one.
Good girl. Give me your paw. Paw. Come on. You're halfway there. Paw. Come on.
We'll tell her it's a special treat. From the special jar. What is this, Terry? Is it a Cocoa Puff?
Is it Cocoa Puff?
You got a Cocoa Puff, Terry. Sit. Oh no. Can you lay down? Lay down, Terry. No. Lay down.
Maggie?
But
I have treats.
you got the real treats. Terry,
Paw.
Cocoa Puff?
Paw.
Sit. Whoa, sit.
Paw.
Lay down.
Maggie.
Whoa.
Paw.
Hey, Terry, just
Paw.
take it. Just take it.
Paw. Come on. Give me your paw.
Oh, Terry. She's confused.
Looks like shit. Not me.
Oh.
Guys, wanna eat Johnny? Paw. Come on, give me your paw. Come on, Maggie girl. Give me your paw. Nice.
What was that,
Maggie,
Terry?
sit. Good girl.
That was Terry.
Maggie, sit. Maggie.
She's
sit.
so lost.
Sit.
Aww.
Sit.
Just give it to her, the poor baby. She's retarded.
Okay. Terry, spin around. Spin around.
Jiggle like a fish.
Spin around, come on. Close enough. Maggie. I didn't even give her a command. Okay.
Bow down.